I now want to turn your attention to March 9th of 2022. Same questions as February 11th and February 26th. Did you look at communications between Kouri Richins and Carmen Lauber for March 9th of 2022?
Yes.
We could show Mr. Kotradimus 3-35D. Do you recognize this?
I do.
Is this an exhibit that you helped create?
It is.
Using the CDR data that you just talked about?
Correct.
Does 3-35D accurately depict the raw data contained in the CDR information?
Yes.
Move to admit 3-35D.
States 3-35D is admitted.
And publish to the jury, please. Okay, so we've seen these before.
We have.
We're looking at the same area of the Salt Lake Valley, and again, communications for March 9th, 2022 between Kouri Richins and Carmen Lauber. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Scott, if we could move through this exhibit, please.
And this is just the same representation of those records. It shows essentially the same travel, and it depicts the conversations, text conversations or communications between Miss Richins and Miss Lauber's devices. So we've got 10 o'clock hour, 11 o'clock hour. Miss Lauber's moving. She moves a little north in this. If you want to stop it right there, Scott, just for the 12:11, 12:13, she moves north out of the Heber Valley for this particular event. That tower at 12:11 p.m. is located very close to the Richins residence. Other than that, the travel is going to be depicted in a similar manner. Miss Lauber is going to travel same route through Provo Canyon into the south end of the Salt Lake County area, in an area consistent with being out near the Draper, the Maverick and Draper. And Mr. Crozier is going to do the same thing. He's going to travel south, and his device is going to utilize towers in that direction as well. On the right-hand side, you're just seeing more communications between Miss Lauber and Miss Richins from that day. So Mr. Crozier and Miss Lauber's devices are coming together, utilizing the same tower in that area. Again, that's the tower across the freeway from the Maverick and Draper. Then the two will depart. They're presumably depart, and their devices are utilizing different towers until they return to their respective starting points.
Did you look at communications between Carmen Lauber and Robert Crozier for March 9th, 2022?
Yes.
We could show the witness 3-36D. Do you recognize this?
I do.
Is this an exhibit that you helped create?
It is.
Is it using the raw data from March 9th, CDR data from March 9th, 2022?
Yes.
Does 3-36D accurately depict the raw data you just described?
It does.
Move to admit 3-36D.
3-36D is admitted.
Again, we've seen this before.
Yes.
This is for March 9th of 2022. And this exhibit, who are the communications between in this exhibit?
This is communications between Mr. Crozier and Miss Lauber for that day, March 9th.
And Scott, if we could move through this exhibit, please.
And you've essentially seen the map before on the previous slide between Miss Crozier and Miss Lauber. The thing that's different on this is the communications are just between Mr. Crozier and Miss Lauber, or Mr. Crozier and Miss Lauber. Again, 11 o'clock hour, 12 o'clock hour, they're communicating. The devices essentially come together into the same general location, utilizing a tower there. Again, that depicts the tower and across the freeway from the Draper Maverick. The two parties continue to communicate until they return to the Heber Valley area and the Davis County area, respectively.